Hi guys, me again, Maria, and welcome to my community. Alright, thank you so much guys for tuning in. And then I'm going to create a short video guys about the prompt snacks that you see me inside of social media when I posted this. So we're gonna talk about prompt snacks, and I know you see a lot of my posts about prompt snacks or what is this, as you see guys on this on the screen that I'm standing beside the vending machine, that we're going to learn prompts one bite at a time. So now we're going to start with the clarity boost. So what is a snack? What is this clarity boost snacks you call? So I call this clarity boost snack because this is a simple prompt that I use when I want better results from AI. But I'm not sure how I explain my idea yet. And it's not about being clever or technical. It's about slowing down and being clear before asking AI to do anything. And why this works? As you see on the screen, guys, I'm showing you, it frames the snack as thinking tool, not a hack. Okay? So when are we gonna use the snack? So here are the bullet points. Where if you're not sure how to start, if your output sounds generic, and switching topics. That's how we're gonna use this snack. All right, so now everybody wants to know what is inside the snack. As you see on my screen, I already wrote it down there, guys, because I'm gonna put the copy of the PDF there inside the classroom, so you can just copy and print that PDF, so you have your own copy. So what's inside the snack is 3 questions that you have to answer. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks inside the prompt that I am going to show you guys and share with you guys, and you can use a lot of prompts in there. You can create a lot of topic that you want. All you're gonna do is just do what you're working on, answer that questions, number 1. Number 2, what you want the result to do, and number 3, who is it for. So whatever project you are working on, you just type on the number 1 questions, and what do you want the result to do, and who is it for, because this tells AI exactly how to respond. So we're going to act as an expert. Okay, so I want to help with, you're gonna say this is the prompt. Okay, this is the prompt, the exact prompt that I want you to use. Do not change anything. All you're gonna do is just to change the one inside of the bracket, which is, as you see on the screen, it says, I want to help with what I am working on. Whatever you are working on, just type in there. Whatever idea you are, thinking about to work on, just type in there. I want to help with blah, blah, blah. And what is your goal? My goal is what I want the result to do. And number 3 is, this is for who is it? So you just put it there. That make sure you have a clear language, step-by-step structure, and no jargon. Okay, next, what we're gonna do next is we're going to go a live demo. I'm gonna show you guys. I want to share with you guys and show you how the result of what we're gonna do with this clarity boost prompt. Okay, step A, we're going to show the before. When we go to ChatGPT, not all of us, but maybe me too, sometimes I go to ChatGPT and I just tell ChatGPT to, can you write a story about this, or can you build me like this, just very generic. And I'm gonna show you guys some example of that, the generic prompts that we always use inside of ChatGPT. So for example, as you see on my screen, write a YouTube script about prompts. Okay, so if I go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT about write a YouTube script about prompts, of course ChatGPT is going to give us the answer. So I'm going to show you guys what's the answer that ChatGPT is going to give us, and then we're going to go into the step B, which is I'm going to use the clarity boost, the prompt that I want to use to get my results. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT and let's type this. Alright, so now we are here in ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste here the first prompt, that I just showed you from step A. Okay, so write a YouTube script about prompts. Click enter, let's see. Alright, so you see guys, opening scene, you on a camera, holding a laptop or tablet, blah, 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 okay? Hey, so this is the first one that ChatGPT gave to us, that you just write give me a script or YouTube, prompts or whatever it is. Okay. All right. So now, after we finish the step A, as you see, guys, we got the result, we got the answer that we want. We're going to step B, which I'm gonna show you guys how to use the prompt that I'm showing or giving to you guys to use it to any of your project. So the step B is this. I want to help. I already put the fill the bracket. I want to help with creating a short YouTube video. My goal is to explain what prompts are and why they matter, and this is for beginners who use ChatGPT but generic results. Okay, so as you see, guys, this is the Clarity Boost prompt. Okay, let's do this. All right, so now we are back in ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy and paste the Clarity Boost prompt in this tab. Okay, just like that. Just copy the same, guys. Just change the one on the bracket of your own idea. Okay, so I use creating a short YouTube video. I want help with this. My goal is to explain what prompts and why they matter. And this is for beginners who use ChatGPT but get generic results. So that's the topic, or that's what I want ChatGPT to help me with. And, the goal and for who. So just do the same thing, guys. Just replace the one inside the bracket. And then we're going to click enter and let's see. All right, so I can say yes because I'm asking for short. Okay. So you notice, guys, that I didn't try to sound smart. I just explained the idea clearly, right? So it gives me all this clear reply that I am looking for, that I need, right? So you see, guys, very clean, not big. It's like really step by step. And there is a seconds on how many seconds you want to do this and everything. And keep it simple. The prompt, it's all about this. So try this, guys, for yourself. All right, so now after my live demo, guys, in step A and step B, did you see the difference, right? All right, so now it's time for you to test. So I'm gonna give you time, guys, or take your time after you finish watching this video. Test for yourself and just copy the prompt, the snack prompt, and just swap in your own idea. That's all you're gonna do. It works for writing, images, videos, anything, because it's all about clarity. Go ahead and test this prompt that I share with you guys. And for the last, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I hope you like and you use this Clarity Boost prompt. And just want to say, one small shift, big difference in result. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next prompt. Bye for now.